Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex futures trading brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Firstly, what is a futures trade? Futures are a derivative trading instrument and are traded through contracts. The price of these contracts is determined with the predicted future value of the underlying asset and are mostly traded on organized trading exchanges. Futures contracts are usually scheduled to have 4 or more expirations throughout the year. And with regards to Forex futures trading, the same concept applies. The two parties will agree to trade one currency for another for a set price on a decided future date. In this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best Forex futures trading brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXCM. FXCM is a fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, offering competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs and CFD instruments. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, ZuluTrade, as well as the FXCM's Trader Station, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXCM's accounts are available on Standard, Mini, Active Trader, and Islamic accounts with competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into Forex training courses, an educational video library, a Forex beginner's guide section, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have Alpari. Alpari is another globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, floating and fixed spreads, swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with low minimum deposits, up to 80 tradable instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts is available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill is recommended for traders who prefer using the MetaTrader platforms and who are interested in CFD and Forex trading. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market analysis, the psychology of trading, various trading strategies, fundamental and technical analysis panels, as well as a variety of ebooks and webinars that you can sign up to whenever you please. Coming in at number 2, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, and a variety of tradable market instruments. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best Forex futures trading brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, crypto, and Islamic accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Customer Support, the Best Alert System, the Best Educational Broker, the Best Forex Broker of the Year, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex futures trading brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.